Imagine a substance so resilient, so indestructible, that once created, it literally lasts forever. It's in your cookware, your waterproof jacket, and maybe even your drinking water right now. These are PFAs, or forever chemicals. And their secret lies in one of the strongest bonds in organic chemistry: the carbon-fluorine bond. This atomic fortress makes them incredibly stable and resistant to heat, water, and oil. This chemical superpower is also their biggest downfall. Nature simply cannot break them apart, leading to their accumulation in our soil, water, air, and even our bodies. The question then becomes, what happens when something designed to last forever starts to build up inside us and our planet?